I'm telling you, this work is not done in the right manner. The reports are not fine. The reports are here for not fine. People are complaining. What is this?
Sir, he does not complete his task on time, and whenever he sends reports, he puts the wrong data in that.
Okay.
But last time he was the one who got maximum number of sales. So there must be some error in the systems. We should not scold him like that.
If this is the problem you are facing, then this video is perfect for you. Hi, I am Ankur from Kedia Growth Services, and I help business owners build the best systems possible. Today, I will tell you about a 6-stage process which will help you tackle these problems in a fair and a just manner, justifying your organization goals. This process, when implemented, will bring your life to peace, and you will be able to handle all these kind of situations in a very fair manner. There are 2 reasons why we start the task defaulters process. First reason is when people, they have completed the task but they have not done it, or it could also happen that they have done the task but not according to the expectation of the company. So ये 2 रीजन की वजह से हम टास्क डिफॉल्टर्स प्रोसेस को इनिशिएट करते हैं. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस, अब कोई टास्क डिफॉल्टर्स प्रोसेस इनिशिएट किया जाता है तो हम सबसे पहले चेक करते हैं स्टेज 1. स्टेज 1 इज कॉल्ड द वर्चुअल डेस्क. Virtual desk is nothing but a dynamic page where all your tasks are written. जहां पर एक टीम मेंबर को सारे के सारे अपने टास्क लिखे हुए दिख जाते हैं, चाहे वो रिकरिंग टास्क हो, चाहे प्रोसेस बेस्ड टास्क हो, चाहे और कोई भी टाइप के टास्क हो. Now what we need to look at is we need to look at who the task is given to. वो टास्क किस तरह से डिफाइंड है, like what is the what that is written for the task. टाइम फ्रेम कितना दिया हुआ है फॉर द टास्क टू बी डन. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स नीड टू बी चेक्ड. This is from the management's point of view that they have to check the virtual desk in the right manner so that team member deserves the right task management, and then they will be able to complete the task. This is what should be expected.
Do you think I will do it? No, I won't.
If you have such people in your organization and if you face such issues जहां वर्चुअल डेस्क को रेक्टिफाई करने के बाद भी ऐसे लोग नहीं काम करते हैं, then we should go to stage 2. Stage 2 is making training documents. Training documents are simple Word documents where we cover all 3 aspects of a training document. 3 aspects of a training document include the clarity about the task, where the task needs to be done, what all resources are needed, what all information is required. Then we write about the actions. Actions will include the step-by-step instruction of how the task is to be performed. And then we write submit, like how the company expects us to actually submit the task. While creating training content, there is another specific video of how to make training content. The link is in the description.
I still won't do it. No.
If you still face such issue that people in your organization don't do the work in the right manner, then now it is time to go to stage 3. Stage 3 is making training videos. It is a fact that more than 76.27% of all the content that is being consumed online is now in the form of videos. So it is high time that we accept the reality that it is people who we are dealing with, and we need to make it easier for them to understand how work needs to be done. If our training documents are ready, then we can make them completely in the same structure in the form of a video. These videos should ideally be attached to your task management software or your virtual desk, and also in the form of the platform of your company where all your videos and training documents are available. This is stage 3 where all training videos are made.
I still won't do it. No.
If you still face such kind of an issue, then now it's time to go to stage 4. Stage 4 is called false done. Now it is very evident that it is the team members' fault and it is not the management's fault. Till stage 3, what we've covered is we've covered all the aspects from the management team members should get from the management about the task. Now that it is evident, the MIS scores of that specific week bring them down to complete 0. If we are using a negative scoring pattern, then we should bring it down to minus 100%. This is what we call a mild whip. This creates a small dent in their overall annual performance. This also brings their 2% performance down, as 1 week out of the 52 weeks is approximately 2%. So this will really create a lot of difference, and the team member will realize that they should not repeat the same mistake.
I don't care. I won't do it. No.
Now, if you still face such issue, then it's now high time that we come to stage 5. Stage 5 is called a formal warning letter. It is very evident that verbal warnings don't work. Verbal warnings, the team members don't really pay much heed to verbal warnings. Is to make it on a company letterhead, get it signed by the business owner, and then hand it over to the team member. Then they feel the right impact, the actual magnitude or the intensity of the situation, and it genuinely brings a change in their behavior.
Do you think I care? No. I won't do it. No.
If you still have people in your organization who still are here in this stage, then it's time to go to stage 6. Stage 6 is called management decision. Now that we know that it is genuinely the team member's fault and they are purposely not doing it in the right manner, then the management has the freedom to take any hard decision for the team member. They could send the team member to through a training session. They could send them through a PIP. PIP is a performance improvement plan. They could also give a demotion or even search for a replacement of that person. These are hard calls that are needed from business owners and the management for the benefit of the company. If we find that people have actually made us come to stage 6 in the task defaulters process, then yes, we should not hesitate in taking such hard calls.
Please don't let me go. No.
This is the task defaulters process, and this helps you rectify and eventually make the right team that you deserve. Now that you have understood the task defaulter process, there are only 2 situations where this process should get initiated. Number 1, if the team tells you that they have completed the task but they haven't, they have also updated in the task management software but they have not completed the task. Or the second situation is when they have completed the task but not in a manner that was expected out of them. So these are 2 clearly defined situations where this process should get initiated. While you're implementing this, there are a few important things that you should remember. Number 1, that all your work in the company should be objectively defined in a structured manner through tasks, so that when you initiate this process, then people should know what was expected out of them. All these kind of mistakes or defaults should be kept with proper proofs, documented proofs, so that it is clear what is expected out of the team members. And number 3, the processes in the company should be structured and they should be common knowledge to all the team members, so that when these trainings are initiated, the team member what is happening and what is expected out of them. So here is the truth: if you don't handle underperformance objectively, it will affect your whole team. So when are you launching this task defaulter process? Growth with Kedia.
KD.
Hi, if you like our content, then do hit the like button. Do share it with somebody who would benefit from watching this video. Do let us know what you think about our content. It will give us an opportunity to improve. If you're a business owner and you would like to have a one-to-one with me, then there is a link in the description. Go for it. Thank you for watching.